Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Clay Cool Craft. Today you can see we are attempting this beautiful palmstone imitation of Unakite from the leftover slab of our last project in which we made the gemstones. Remember these slabs? We cut from the slab of Unakite gemstone. I saved these few pieces for this palmstone design. Now let's begin with it. I have made this base with translucent clay, and with this design we will move forward. It is nothing else but translucent clay make into the shapes. So this will act as the base of our palmstone pendants and matching earrings. So we will take this slab and we will flatten out it, roll it a bit. See, it's so compact design, we need to roll it down. You can roll it with the pasta machine too. I prefer to roll it down with little bit first with the roller and place it on a translucent base. We will remove the extra translucent from the sides. Now we can stretch it on pasta machine. See, nicely elongated. And this time we will make a elongation around this. Now we will elongate in this side too, nice and square. Take out all the impurities. Now it is thin enough to make up the projects. Varnish it with plain paper so the stickiness can be removed. See how sticky it has become, all this rolling. So we have to let it set for a few minutes. Meanwhile we will press all the other pieces and see in the same process how beautifully they have been stretched. Now we will cover this base. This will fit it nicely. Let me see which side design I would like. Yes, this is looking good. Or should I use this one? Decisions. This one is also looking good. I guess I will go with this one. We'll stretch it a little bit to fit it. Polymer clay is highly stretchable, so you can just stretch it over your design. Very carefully though, don't break it. Yes, put it over the base, cover it all. With gentle fingers, press it. Use a plain paper and burnish it down. This way you can remove all the fingerprints. Now press the sides with the help of a paper, push it. Take a sharp blade. I'm using tissue blade. and cut off the extras. Don't throw them away, keep them aside. That will be used as the backing later on. I will show you. Take all the impurities. Dog hairs mostly. My dog likes to play around. See, it fits nicely forward. Finish the piece by clearing out all the extra, trim them off. Now it's already taken care. Check for any dents and anything. Press them with the plain paper and plane out all the dents. Now it's done. We will get to the earring parts. Now see, I have made them all off camera. Just repeat the process, and now we will go for the backing. And remember, I have told you to keep the extra cutting parts. Now we will use them as backing. Just put the bigger pieces along with each other. Right now it looks like it is not very neat, but once we roll down all the pieces together, it will become a new piece. It will hardly recognize that it has been made with the scraps. That is the beauty of polymer clay. You can use it so versatilely. Use the bits and pieces. Cover the whole translucent clay. It doesn't have to be in a particular shape, just make it neat. See? Just press the edges inside so that it rolls down nicely. Yes. Now we will use the pasta machine and roll it down. One more roll. Now see, all even out, and use a paper to varnish it down any dents remaining, and it will also make the clay more manageable as it will soak up all the oil. Now it is big enough to use as a backing. Let's see which side I will use. This look good enough. Let me take my blade and keep this up for the other parts. Again, cut all the extra edges out. After trimming it, press the edges evenly together and blend the design. With softer fingers, just blend it. And now, say I have already made this off camera, and I baked them, sanded a little, and buffed them. Now it is ready. See how beautifully it did turn out. That is the backing we used. I put a simple pinch pail on it, and our pendant is ready. Absolutely palm size, beautiful pendants and matching earrings. I put a ear hook on them with a pinch pail, and now it is fully ready to use. So that's all today for this video project. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Goodbye.